Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what we're going to do is we are going to be unboxing the silver model of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Now I want to make something very clear. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 that is a continuation of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is not the continuation of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Samsung did skip one number from Galaxy Watch to Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Now this one here is the 45mm model. That's a larger model. This one is $430, and like I said, this is a silver one. So let's unbox it and see what's going on the inside. So let me remove the front cover right over here, and there we go. Okay, so in the box you get the actual watch, and also inside the top cover there's another box. Let's lift that up and see what's in here as well. So this one here should have the charger, and there should be some user guides. Let's confirm that. So if I pull this out here, as you can see, we have the quick start guide that quickly tells you how to set up your watch to get started. And then on the other side, what we have the wireless charger for your smartphone. Now I do want to let you know you can charge this phone on any wireless charger. You don't have to use this one, but it is in fact included if you need it. Alright, so let's divert our attention to the actual watch in the silver color. Now real quick, I do have the older version of the Samsung Galaxy Watch model, the previous generation, and I'll let you know that the screen size on this guy is 1.3 inches. On this one it is 1.4 inches. So the screen size has been slightly enlarged on the latest model. Regardless, this one is going to be thinner and lighter than the older model. It's going to be less bulky on your hand. Alright, so let's pull the watch out of the box. Okay, I'm going to put it right over here. Let's move this to the side. And I do want to let you know that these watches do come with a nice leather band, which do have real stitching around its edges on the top and the bottom. Alright, so next I'm going to give you a quick tour around the device, and then I'm going to proceed and set this up on my smartphone. Let's dive in. Alright, so on the top here we have the back button, and this one here is the power button / the home button. And then if I look on the side over here of the phone, you'll see that there's a little microphone. At the bottom we have the heart rate sensor, and on this side we have right over here we have a speaker. Okay, and of course we have the rotating bezel that allows you to control the watch. Now remember, the Galaxy Watch 3 uses Samsung's Tizen operating system, so it's going to work best with a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, even though it will work somewhat with Android phones and iPhones. But the power button is at the bottom here. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold the power button and see what happens. There we go. It says it's rebooting the watch. Okay, I'm going to launch the Galaxy wearable application so we can do the syncing process. I want you guys to see how that all works. So Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Alright, so it says let's go. I'm going to swipe this up, see what happens. Okay, it says get started in the Galaxy wearable application. I'm going to tap on Galaxy wearable application here. Alright, that should be all up to date. It wants me to turn on the Bluetooth. I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so the Bluetooth is on. I'm going to tap on this button here. I'm going to tap on add new device. That's my old Galaxy Watch. I'm going to tap on add new device, and from the list I can pick any watch that I want. And if you update the application, you'll see all the latest products right here. Alright, so let's tap on this one right over here. It says let's pair up, getting ready to connect. So it found the watch. I'm going to tap on this again. Now it's pairing up. Okay, so it wants me to tap on connect, tap OK to connect. I'm going to tap that. I'm going to tap connect here, and they should start to connect. Check your phone to complete the setup. Setting up your phone. Quick process. Alright. And it wants to install a Galaxy Watch 3 plugin, which is going to be 77 megabytes. Now it is finishing up the pairing process. Takes a couple minutes over here. So let's wait this out as well. Okay, and the process is complete. It says congratulations on your new Galaxy Watch. I'm going to tap on agree. Okay. Link the Galaxy Watch 3 plugin with the Galaxy Watch. Of course. Select all, no problem. Tap on, let's just take out the diagnostic stuff and the marketing information. I'm gonna tap on next. Do you want to restore it? Nope. I'm gonna skip for now. Click next, and there we go. There's the watch. It's all set, which is fantastic. We get dumped into our screen over here, and I'll let you know Of course, from this screen, I can go to my watch faces and start to change to any watch face that I want. So when I turn my phone on, I get the watch face that is previewed right over here. Now, all right, so if I pull this down, I can go to the brightness, the quick panels here. We have a bunch of options. I can change the brightness from here, as you can see. Okay, I can go up or down as I please. And then I can press the back button to go back home. And again, I have a lot of quick toggles here. I can turn off the phone. I can go into the actual settings. I can also access the settings if I go into my app screen by tapping this button. Okay, and then I can use the rotational bezel and just go straight to the settings and just tap on the screen. Again, it takes me to the settings. I can swipe down with my finger, or I can still use this. Okay, so that's great. You have two ways to interact with this thing. I can go to display again, change the brightness, go back. Let's see what else we have actually inside there. We also have the screen timeout option and all that good stuff. And if I press the home button, it takes me back to the home button. If I swipe this way, it shows me all my widgets. Basically, these are my widgets, and they're all editable, either over here or at the phone. Now, if I swipe to the other side, it goes to the notification. So that's the watch right here. Widgets this way, or notifications this way. All right. Now let's talk about these watch faces. I can either press and hold to change the watch faces from here and also customize the ones that are available to customize, or I can just use my wearable application, which is what I actually prefer. You can go into your Galaxy wearable application, which is my preferred method. Let me just increase the brightness a little bit, which is my preferred method to just switch between different watch faces. And I can go to Discover. I can download more watch faces, or I can download applications right from here. It's all connected to the Galaxy App Store. Okay, so let's look at a bunch of watch faces over here. Let me just bring this here, bring the phone here. There it is. So certain watch faces are customizable. And if anything is customizable, you can tap on Customize to change its design. So look, we can change the colors of all this stuff. It quickly is going to reflect over here as soon as I click Save. Look at that. It's going to change right here. So if you tap on Customize, you can change the hands, the color of the actual hand if you want, okay? And then you have the complications you can also change. If you don't want battery, you can put something else, no problem. So the battery is showing up on the top here. Click on Save. Look at that. It's going to show up right there. So then we have this one here. Let's tap here. These are all the included watch faces, okay? That's really nice right there. Okay, and this one right here, not very bad. Okay, what is this over here? The live wallpaper. We have a live wallpaper now. Okay, that's not bad. I can tap on Customize, pick between different wallpapers as well. Click on Save. There you go. Okay, let's customize again. Tap this and save it again. Wow, that's quite fantastic. All right, but that's basically my initial impressions is good. Like I said, this is the continuation of the Galaxy Watch that I have right here. The screen on this guy is 1.3 inches. This is 1.4 inches, so it's slightly larger than this watch. And as you can see, it looks slightly sleeker. If you look at the side, the buttons are now a little bit different. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm going to be coming up with more videos on the Galaxy Watch 3. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.